Today, we're exploring a fresh way to think about technology, something that might actually surprise you. When you hear the word technology, what's the first thing that pops into your mind?
Hmm, Probably machines, right? Like gadgets, engines, computers, things that beep, buzz, or click.
Yeah, that's exactly what most people think. But here's the twist. Technology didn't actually start with machines at all.
Wait, really? So if not machines, then what did technology start with?
It started with how humans organized themselves. Way before factories, engines, or even algorithms, people were already creating technologies, just not the kind you might expect.
You mean like social systems? How people work together?
Exactly. These were social technologies. Systems for coordinating attention, building trust, deciding who leads and who follows. Leadership itself was a kind of technology.
Leadership as technology? That's an interesting way to put it. So it's like a program running a company, but instead of code, it uses relationships and influence?
That's a great way to think about it. Leadership is a method, a tool, to organize people and energy toward a goal. And it's not just leadership. Culture fits in here too.
Culture. How is culture technology?
Culture is a shared system of values and behaviors that helps groups function smoothly. Think of it as the unwritten rules that guide how people interact and trust each other. It's a technology because it solves the problem of cooperation.
Okay, that makes sense. What about management? Is that technology too?
Definitely. Management is the set of methods and rules designed to turn human energy into outcomes. It's how work gets organized and done efficiently. So, leadership, culture, management, they're all technologies.
That really broadens the idea of technology beyond just machines. I guess we often overlook this human side.
Right. And that's where Thomas Cleary's idea of the human element comes in. He wasn't just being poetic, he was making a precise point. Technology has always included how humans interact and organize.
So even with all the advances in AI, this human element hasn't changed.
Not at all. In fact, AI actually makes this truth more visible again. It highlights how important these social systems and human coordination really are.
That's a nice way to connect an old idea to something very current. So technology is as much about people and relationships as it is about machines.
Exactly. So next time you think about technology, remember, it's not just gadgets or engines. It's the ways we come together, organize, and work as humans.
A fresh perspective that really makes you rethink what technology means.
And that's the takeaway. Technology started with us, and it's still all about us.